when they are nowhere, just to come in limelight, they make such stupid statements. And म्हाका CMan सांगला, that FIR has already been filed against him in Bicholi police station, आणि तेका अरेस्टूय जातलो. आणि फादर बॉलमॅक्साक जे हे केल्ले, what punishment or whatever was done, the same treatment, the same thing will be done. Action will be taken against Wellinger. हांव माझ्या ऑनरेबल CMan सांगूंक सोदता, हे अरेस्ट केले दुसऱ्या दिसा बेलीर सोडटात, आणि मागीर ते FIR जावन कोर्ट केस केन्ना चालू जातले आणि केन्ना कितें जातले ते खबर ना. बट इन द कमिंग असेंब्ली वी शुड मेक अ लॉ की ओहले जावंक फावना.
लोकांचे मनान आहा की एक हात जागे केला, not just because of exposition, but they are believing that this is a ploy of the government to try to put him up, to hide what is going on, deficiencies of the government, the fighting in the government, the non-performance, and the complete failure of the administration to cover up and to divert attention. That's why people are come on the road. Others people are very peaceful. They don't come like this.
The protesters to have it peaceful. Don't lose your tongue, because they are trying to instigate us. They are sending their people to attack the mob. We are told, we had announced last night only, that tomorrow if it was only ambulance will be allowed. Only emergency cases will be allowed. Otherwise, it's Margaon Bandh.
Pratima, there is a school nearby, presentation school.
We have taken that in mind, and we have sent the parents with the students. School cover the tenka mat dhanna. Tension ame kunna, because we don't want to trouble the minors. But yes, big buses, tempos. You can see now, ambulance is coming. Our protesters are giving the ambulances to them. We are not troubling the ambulances and emergency cases. And I have appealed to all the protesters, please, no violence. Old Market Circle bond kela. Polvar Circle bond kela, and Sanchi crowd full Margaon Bandh till Subhash Wellinger is arrested. I fail to know why CM is trying to protect one fellow.
अरे बाबा वेलिंगकर, तू आणि हांव मोन्नाच्या तोडेक पावलेले आसा, आणि असले तू स्टेटमेंट काढून आमकां गोंयकारांक कित्याक भडकायता?
इतलो शिकलोलो मनीस इतलो अणपड आणि बुरूत कसो कित्याक वागता आणि आमच्या धर्माचेर? आमी तुमचे वाईट कितें केलां आनी तितल्यान कोबार जावंक ना. वेलिंगकराक वो आमचो सरकार डिवायड एंड रूल करून सपोर्ट करता.
अशेंच तो चलयशी तू आमच्या गोंयांक डिवायड आनी रूल करूंक सोदता, आनी कोणाक तरी तू हे कम्युनल जावन लोकांक झगडी पेटोवंक तू फुडें सरलेलो आहा.
I personally believe this is a false allegation against the government. I know for sure that the police have registered the case. I know for sure that the police are on the lookout for him. I know for sure that summons have been pasted even on his house, because he has gone underground. I believe that I may make a statement on behalf of the government to say that the government will 100% act. He will 100% be arrested. I would like to assure the public that he will 100% be arrested. Just that, as of now, we do not know where he is hiding. The minute the police get to know where he is, the police will pick him up. This is a fact. I've been talking to the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister personally is also following up on this issue, and we will definitely take it to its logical conclusion. Nobody will be spared. This much I assure you. I appeal to my fellow brethren to maintain, to be calm, to be cool, not to get agitated, because the government will 100% act.